Hello YouTube and welcome to a short Techsloth video. It's the last day of MWC and this morning I already visited the Xiaomi Store in Barcelona. And in here, yes, it's true, Xiaomi is already selling the brand new Xiaomi Mi 9. Only the black version, 64 gigabytes of storage for 450 euros. This is a fantastic price for a device with Snapdragon 855, with the new 48 megapixel camera from Sony, with the world first wireless for charging with 20 watt and with a fingerprint sensor below the display. This is just amazing for this amount of money. Of course, it's already the global version, and you see the Mi logo, Mi 9 engraved on the side. Let's open the box up and see what's inside, what you get for 450 euros, besides really close, maybe high-end hardware. So we see, first of all, designed by Xiaomi. This is a nice, I don't know, it remembers me as there's another companies doing this as well. We got our SIM card tool, we got a USB-C to headphone jack 3.5mm adapter, so no headphone jack on the device itself. We got a case, I guess it's again this blackish see-through case. Yes, it is. Feels a little bit rubbery, but I think it's nice that we got one. Then we get a warranty card and the user guide, I guess. Yes, the Xiaomi Mi user guide in different languages. And we see where the buttons are: AI button, power button, volume button, USB Type-C port, SIM card tray. It's only dual SIM, so you can't insert a micro SD card into the device, and that's it. A whole lot of languages, but no more information. So let's grab the device. There we go. And it's a black version. Let's remove the screen cover and I'll turn it on. And I have to say, first moment holding it in my hand, I was really, I mean, 450 euros. You already know the hardware. You get really close to high-end hardware. It's just in terms, well, maybe not in every case high-end hardware, but I mean, the newest CPU. You get one of the newest cameras. You get the world first 20 watt charging. You get a finger display scanner built into the display, which is a feature that every high-end display this year has to have. You get a drop notch design, front-facing camera. Let's get around the device. Of course, it's a big device, 6.39 inch. We got an OLED display. I mean, this is an OLED display. Of course, I can't say anything more, not yet much about the brightness and the color accuracy, but it's the first impression nice. So, big device, holding it in my hand, well built. Or first impression, it's well built, or it feels nice in your hand. I can reach the on-off button with ease. Yes, I can reach the volume down button as well. But not the volume up button. I can reach with my left index finger the on-off button as well, and volume down, but not volume up. So buttons are moving a little bit, but still, well, it's okay. Up here we get antenna stripes, microphone and infrared port. On the left side we get the SIM card tray and the AI button, or the Google button, Google Assistant button. Of course, in China you can't use the Google Assistant. Here in the global version you will get the Google Assistant with that. Down here we get two more antenna stripes, microphone, USB Type-C and the speaker. And on the front-facing camera and above we get the small slot here where the speaker is located. And on the back side we get, of course, glass backside, flash, the new ultra-wide camera and the 48 megapixel Sony sensor. And that's it. So this was our we are not yet done. I have totally forgotten. With the black device, the device is also available in rose gold or rose and black and the blue version. So we get white cable and charger with the device. I don't like that, but it's USB to USB Type-C. And let's check out the charger. That's a normal USB charger. No Xiaomi branding on it. And we got an output of 12 volt, 1.5 amperes. So we got an 18 watt charger. This is interesting. I mean, why they only include an 18 watt charger when the wireless charging is supported up to 20 watt? Interesting. But at the Xiaomi store here in Barcelona, the new wireless charging pad with the 20 watt charging power were not yet available. So still, first impression, great. Price discussion, we don't have to have the price discussion. This is an awesome price. I mean, also Apple, Huawei, Samsung, they get their high-end devices, they will find their customers, but all the other devices in this 400 to 600 price range, I mean, OnePlus, I'm talking about Honor, I think now they're getting really, this is starting to be a hard time, because this year, this device coming officially to Europe right from the start, this is to set a nice mark here for the other companies. But this is it for now, guys. See you last day from the MWC in Barcelona, and goodbye.